Hey, what's up, guys? So,
What's going on?
right now we're going to Harbor Freight. You know, it's the best shop in the world. But we're gonna go pick up some stuff for somewhere we're gonna take. It's a secret right now. We're not gonna let you guys know right now, but you guys will soon see. If you guys stick along throughout the video, you guys will see where we're going. Yeah. What would happen if I dropped the camera right now? I'd probably die.
Yeah, move out of my way.
Ooh! Right now is like the perfect weather too.
It is, dude.
It's like 75, I would say.
Yeah, and I don't have AC.
Yeah, it's about 70 something. It's not too bad.
I don't have AC, guys, so I like this.
We'd have the top down, but we got boxes in the back. We got papers in there, and we don't want it to fly away. What's up, Grandpa? That fool wants to rate us.
No.
Rate us or race us?
Race us.
Race us.
Harbor Freight.
I already replaced this once.
So basically, the stock shifter that he had, like all the insulation was all
it was
tore
all jacked
up
up already.
and so he just decided to just get a new shifter.
It's a short shift.
Yeah, it's a short shifter. It's an eBay special.
Yes. So, but the thing is, I screwed up. So I didn't put it the right way or install it the right way. I'm gonna show you guys what happens when I go in gear. Like right now, as you guys can see, it's in neutral. But once I go, like, let's say first gear, I mean, it goes in pretty quick. I mean, it's nice and smooth, but check this out. You see how freaking loose or fancy, whatever you want to call it? That shouldn't be like that, like at all. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, or what we're gonna do today, is we're gonna put a new one.
They're really cheap, so might as well just.
So we're
put it
gonna
in.
try to do it the right way this time. So hopefully everything turns out perfect, and yeah. So most of you guys know already what to do here. Okay, you have to take these off, blah blah blah. So I'm not gonna go into detail because you guys already know what to do. But if you don't, just pay attention to what I do. And if I screw it up, my friend Carlos here is gonna tell me, "Hey, dude, you screwed up." So don't do that. Okay, so let me get off the car and get this baby out. And if you like it, you can buy one of these too. It's really sweet.
And then there's two Phillips screws on each side. One right there and one right there.
Please don't lose them, because I already lost like 3 of them. I don't even know where they are. Three, 4, 5 total. Okay, if you only screw 4, it's gonna be your fault.
Yep. That was your insulation.
Yes, that was the insulation. Make sure it's in neutral before you do anything else with it, okay? Okay, guys, it's loose. Finally. You get these out. Now you can take these rubber thing out.
Insulation.
Insulation? Is that what it is?
Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it's like a rubber insulation.
You can take it off. I had one of these and I had to buy a new one because it was all destroyed too.
If you guys are going to be doing this, we highly recommend to inspect your insulation boots or whatever they're called. Most of the time, like 90% of Miatas, they're like tore up and a lot of heat comes through them. There's actually 2 of them, but if you're running an aftermarket one, then you probably will only be running one. But either way, It's nasty. So this is the stuff that I was talking about. This MTL manual transmission manual lubricant. It's some good stuff. It's like some synthetic oil or something. So you don't want to overflow your shifter turret. That's what this is called. The shifter turret. You don't want to overflow it. Now it's assembly time. So you pretty much have to do everything what you already did, just in reverse.
Okay guys, so we're pretty much done. It looks really good and it feels really good as well. I'm gonna show you guys the results. Right now it's in neutral, so it already feels better than it used to. Now when I go in gear, this is what happens. First gear, and it will move. You know, probably just the normal.
Yeah, it would wiggle like crazy.
Exact. But as you guys saw in the beginning of this video, it was wiggling like freaking. It looked like it was salsa dancing right there, bro. but now it's perfect. Now we noticed that it was still kind of like wiggling a little bit. So what we did is we took it apart again, and there was an extra gasket that I had before.
Right.
Okay. So what I did, it was a little two gaskets. One, the plastic one with the metal on top.
Right. That goes at the bottom.
That goes on the bottom. And then I had another plastic one that it has like a little
groove. Do you have another one? Yeah. Okay, I think it came with the old shifter.
Exactly.
So it has the second gasket has a cutout that matches this. Look right here.
It almost looked like this one, but smaller, and it's plastic.
Right, and it had like a cutout like this, and it was plastic. It was about half the size of this.
Exactly.
And that went literally just like that on top of the shifter, and then you put this on, and then you put this on, and then you tighten it down, and it like squeezes both of those together, ties those two gaskets together, and creates like a really good tight seal. And that, I mean, now there's like no wiggle room on top. Look, I mean, we could yank this up and down, and before it would go up and down
a
like
little
that.
bit. It wasn't as bad.
Look,
it wasn't
nothing.
as bad, but again, it was wiggling a little bit more. Now that we did that we put the gasket on, it's perfect.
I think that we call that a successful day today.
Yep. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too.
So that's it for the video right here. So that is how you install a aftermarket short shifter on your NA Miata. I'm pretty sure the process should be similar on an NB, but don't take my word for it. Just do your research ahead of time. That way there's no misinterpretations here. But other than that, if you guys like the video, please sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys like the video content that we're sending out for you guys.
Thank you guys.
All right guys, catch you guys on the next one.